Hello guitar class, here's 3 little birds. So, relatively easy chords. X, don't play that string. 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. There's the A chord. 3 in a row, just do the best you can getting as close to the fret as you can. If you've got humongous fingers and you can't do that, you can use a different fingering. Some people like this. I find it awkward. And some people with really humongous hands push down 2 strings with their first finger and then just use their second finger like that. So any way you can play an A. And then our friend the D chord, which is XX, 0, 2, 3, 2. And then the E chord, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. These are the fingerings that are good for this song. So, this is 3 Little Birds by Bob Marley. And to sound like reggae, what we're going to do is you're going to flip what you're used to. You're going to hit the strings and the wood of the guitar like this, and then do an up. Now what I would do is just drag my middle finger or my index finger. So here's the strum pattern. This morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Don't worry, that's the whole song. Now the trick here is you have to change on the hit. So if you want to practice it, it's kind of like a seesaw. You strum the A chord. When you hit, your hand comes off. So let me do a measure and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's when your hand comes off. It's one of the next measure. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then you change chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift, 1. On 1. Okay? There's 3 little birds. Happy practicing.